We're on 25 North, heading to Golden, Colorado.
It's much hillier here than what it was in Colorado Springs. I don't care. It's really cute little downtown. Oh, perfect. Let's look in here.
I wish I would have had a river out there. We could have done that.
Yeah, I did not know that.
That would have been fun.
Comic Cowboy. The Golden Hotel. City of Golden.
That'd be fun to do. Look how fast that water's moving.
Yeah. How neat. This is Golden Clear Creek. It's such a cute little area. This is a cute little area.
Fire. What is it? This yellow mean?
So this is the memory of Johnny Baker, the foster son of Buffalo Bill. That's his grave.
He's actually buried here. That's why there's money on the grave. The Buffalo Bill nickel.
Oh,
So people to start throwing coins on there.
interesting.
This is better than the upper arcade games.
We're at the Windy Saddle Park. And the Mount Zion Trail on the Mountain Lookout. Right outside of Golden, Colorado. These views are epic. It is so beautiful up here.
Hey guys, we're gonna start this long trail. Alright, we're going up the stairs at Windy Saddle Park. Alright, gotta go.
Mount Zion Trail. Okay.
Mount Zion Trail. Alright, here we go. We're on a record pace of about 300 steps. We gotta wait for this slow girlfriend here. Kinda gassed, but it's okay. We got this. I have a water bottle in my pocket. It's kinda weighing me down a bit. How do you feel?
I'm already winded.
Alright, let's continue. Up in beautiful Colorado. About halfway there, I think. I'm not too sure. Pretty winded, kind of gassed.
Make it light. I'm gassed.
Huh?
Heavy breathing.
No good. Up we go. We're running now. Gotta run. Oh, this one's rough. We got a bird. So, little view. They're way down there. How far this goes, I'm dead. We're super high up right now. It's pretty hard to breathe. I don't know. Come on. Oh, grasshopper just hit me. I don't know what this is. I just saw it when we were driving. I was like, I want to go climb it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm climbing it with Eliana. But I made it. Crazy view. We finally made it up. Let me step up here. Here she is, right here. How do you feel? How do you feel?
I think I would have been able to do this better if we didn't run at first, but I still did it.
Here, you wanna vlog? You vlog.
Hey guys, I'm vlogging. I feel proud that I did it, but we should not have ran. Like a smile.
Hi. How long did that take?
7, 8, 9, 20.
minutes.
That's pretty good. We just did that in 7 minutes. I'm in decent shape.
It's killing us.
It's just
I'm here.
Yeah. There's that.
But anyways, we're about to head back down.
Wait, let's take a couple pictures before we head back down.
Okay.
We're good?
Alright, we're back, guys.
We're gonna head back down.
Down we go.
We're only walking, I don't care.
We're about to run it. We are about to run.
I really feel like I could have done that pretty, like, not out of breath too much if we did not run up.
I don't know how long this video lasts for, but we'll be down in like 7 minutes. If you want to stay and watch this little mini vlog. Almost done. I'm zooming. My parents are right down there. They're waiting on me. Where is she? There she is. Come on, Dad. Stop right there. That's fine. But we can just watch it.
How was it?
It's fine. How was it? Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Look at this right here. This is epic. Oh, look, another tunnel. Hey, look at the trail on the other side. That's a hiking trail on the other side.
We're in Thornton, heading to the B&B.